para wag tayo magkasala sa Diyos, may isang paraan lang. Wala ang marami, isa lang po. 119:11 ng awit, ganito po nakasulat.
Ang salita mo'y aking iningatan sa aking puso, upang huwag akong magkasala laban sa iyo.
Nakita nyo? Para wag kang magkasala, yung salita ng Diyos, ingatan mo sa puso. Sabi ng Diyos, huwag kang mangangalon niya. Nasa puso mo. Mangangalon niya ka ba? Tama ba? Hindi, mga kapatid. Nasa puso mo yung salita niya. Ang salita mo, thy words I have kept in my heart so that I will not sin against thee, O Lord. According to David. The word of God is the most powerful tool against sin. Put the words of God in your heart and you will not do sins. James 1:21 says,
Wherefore lay apart all filthiness and superfluity of naughtiness, and receive with meekness the engrafted word, which is able to save your soul.
you see, remove all filthiness, all dirty manner of life, all dirt in your life, according to the Bible, and the superfluity of naughtiness, and receive with meekness the engrafted word of God. And that word is able to save your soul. So, there is no other way by which all filthiness, criminal acts, naughtiness, all evil thinking and evil doings can be taken away from man other than the Word of God. Receive the Word of God in your heart, keep it in your heart, follow it, and you will do no evil, according to the Bible. There is not any other tool on this earth that will remove evil in the person or in the life of a person other than the Word of God. Let us read. Hebrews chapter 4 verse 12 says,
For the word of God is quick and powerful and sharper than any two-edged
you
sword.
see, sapagkat ang salita ng Diyos ay buhay, mabisa, matalas kaysa alinmang tabak na may dalawang talim. Tanggal yang lahat ng sama ng buhay mo pag tinabas ng salita ng Diyos. Tabas yang kasinungalingan ng dila mo. Tabas yung pambababae mo, yung paninigarilyo mo, yung bisyo mo. Tinyo kami, awa ng Diyos. Walang bisyo, walang sigarilyo, walang kung ano-ano. Busy kami sa mga gawaing para sa kabutihan ng kapwa. Marami kang gagawin ba't naman ikaw magsusugal maghapon? You have to do so many good things in life. We were designed by God to do good things in life, not to spend our life in vices, in worldly things that are prevalent in our days. Now, people are busy in entertaining themselves. They are going shopping, going around the world, seeing places, sightseeing, partying, etc. But they have no time for God. You see, invite them in places like this where the Word of God will be preached and will be heard. They do not like. They do not like. Their hearts is on worldly things. Worldly things is the best thing for them in life. So, I'm sorry. I'm very, very much sorry for those people.